Where precaution. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And business class was 40,000. Take us back there. Where with 50 naira you can go to Meshai and take Indomie and egg. Take us back there. Where a loaf of bread is 120 naira. Take us back there. We don't want improvement. We don't want, just take us back to where you took us from. The spirit of error is in the air. We need to pray. God bless Nigeria.
Everybody know this our senator. This Senator Dino Melaye. So we can't say we don't know him. This is a word from him. Please share this video. You can start calling right away. You can start calling right away. Yeah, you can see what I put in there. For those of you that believe I know a lot of people don't want to hear this. Donald Trump just won his impeachment trial. To God be the glory for the people we are in this together. It has been discharged and acquitted. So this is the best way they feel they would have been able to silence him without resurrecting. You know, I believe in the resurrection power. So I'll be talking about it, and thank God that one is also gone. That is a side of it, you know. So for those of you who are interested, I think when I was online, a lot of people were trying to call in to also contribute. The line is open right now because I will not only be the one that is going to be doing the talking all the time. So also call and make your also contribution. Call and make your contribution. Let's do this. Let's do it together. Just call and make your contribution. So I tend to do this because tomorrow I don't think I'm also going to be giving room to receive calls. Like the reason why you have to share this video now so that any person that want to wear his or her view concerning what is happening in Nigeria, Edo State, all over. Area where you feel the government of the day can make more effort, and why if you have any viable points why our governors, almost the 36 states governor, apart from the governor of Benue State, Samuel Otom, who have come out several times to hit the nail at the head, telling the federal government that they are not trying. And we all know the reason why they use Konakonatic remove Dino Melaye. So the video I just played just now, this is the kind of life this man has been living right from day one. So it's part of those senators who have been really trying to see how we can, also contribute the best of his quarter to make sure we have a gym. So when he was a senator, we really enjoyed him. I, for one, really enjoy him. I love to see him speak and all that. But automatically, no longer there, but it still stands for the people. If all senators, even though if you are a senator, you can stand like this. One thing people don't understand, at the time you become a celebrity or a public figure or a public idiot, you have followers. Whatever things you tell your followers, they can key into their ideology. That's the reason why we blame most people. Why is people celebrity? They are not talking about the well-being. If LBO endorse today, the social media handles we have in Edo, if we keep on talking about our freedoms, then the more you talk about it, the more people know about it, the more they extend it home. Before you know, we begin to work in unity. I can say today, 70% of people living in Edo does not even know whether Fulani is men. They have plans. Because this message have not really been promulgated. The only platform who have constantly talked about this thing every day, all my programs, I must talk about it. If you look at it, I'm even playing overlap. Only me one will tell you about how the world is going to become good, tell you about false vaccine, tell you about moral behavior, tell you about full and enhancement and all of others. So it's not easy. So that's why if you have any information right now, the ground is open. If you check the heading there, you can just get the number and make your contribution also. So that we do this very whole thing together. We have to do it together. So please, let's just be a part and parcel of this. So that I want to give this very opportunity to every one of us to also hear our view concerning what's happening now. Maybe your contribution also have a very huge impact to play. You must not have to be me all the time. So you also call to tell me what and what you know about this whole thing, what you feel, and where we are to go from where we are right now. So to be better, if we do it collective responsibilities. So I just pinned the number there. Let's share the video if we have any of our brothers that want to call. You can see at times this life is not balanced. If I'm doing this video now, I don't want to pick call. You see people begin to call. We are pressing needs. So don't be afraid to call. The number is there. Call through WhatsApp. So as many of you that have my other number, you can also call. The whole phone is free. Call any of the number you want to call. So let's do it together. My father was not an ex-commissioner. So whatever thing you know about Fulani investment, so just call so that we'll do it together. So let's really go a little back to America, what has happened. You can see life at times. If you watch it today, Donald Trump ran past Joe Biden. Now he still ran past upon say not the power again. So a lot of tricks, a lot of things are happening in the world that is not supposed. And if you yourself, you are not careful enough, you will be misled. That's what you are seeing in Nigeria today. How will anybody want to still start playing politics with your own life? Believing that the Fulani herdsmen, the weapon are bringing as if... Hello, good evening. God bless you. Wait, may I put on for speaker? Hold on. Oh, I think if you call for WhatsApp, right? Call for WhatsApp though. This is no honorary number and a small phone. Call for WhatsApp. Call for WhatsApp. Thank you. So let us not be misled. Because we go to the only way we can be able to succeed. If you hear something, you tell me before you know every one of us will be aware. Before you know right now, 1 or 2 persons will be encouraged to come out. Look at the massive support Obaseki got. If we can gather such momentum today again from abroad here, even the wars about to before right now is even more than what before us before. So war is not sweet. And there are a lot of disadvantages with the war. You cannot go market. You cannot go market. There are people 5 days, you have no water to drink. Because the reason why we are taking it funny, I don't know. When we talk about war, that these people, they want to Fulanize Nigeria. Or they want to Islamize Nigeria. That to say they want to do it forcefully. Not this one you are saying that they are killing small in village. They can just come out in city at once. Maybe you got no water at home. Starvation and they keep people pass for war, not be bullet. Get it clear. Most of us that is shouting today, if you see where they right now, Boko Haram not there here. If I don't begin a shout just now, Ogbas will still come. You know what not go whether I'm okay now, they want to come ask. Maybe if somebody come beat me for his house. Now, why am I putting this into us? It's better we prevent it. War not sweet. Don't pray to experience it. It's not sweet. Imagine there is no war right now. You cannot pass through Benin. Everywhere is blocked. This one, anything, take it off. You will see a patrol van going around the whole state. All police in the barrack, they have to drop their weapon. Tell them to go to one side. Maybe they have to unleash, may God not let that happen, unleash mayhem on Edo State. They will tell the whole police, particularly the Fulani men where they inside. They will loot the whole gun, AK-47 with this station, carry and come out. And you will give command. Because they want to disarm you for them to unleash on you. So earlier the better, now we start preventing it small. I told us before now, in the time of your trial, do the little you can. Don't just fold your hand and sit back. Hunger, now they keep us for war. Hunger. For those of you that came through Morocco, even when you are back in on journey, at times you have no water to drink in the desert. People drink their pee, but I never drink my own. Because we learn from people that have passed there before. We took extra something. We were not gluten. At times, this bottle that do at times they buy Pepsi, they follow body. You use the bottle to take count too. You not just say because it many don't drink or no. You know where would they put money? I not talk all. Now what bank would they put money? What bank? Now would they put money? Because we got an insight on how that would be. What bank now would they put money? If you come from that place, you know what they talk about. So the mineral way we get or water with the manager until we can be able to buy another one, now we'll drink or finish. The reason why a lot of people begin to drink their pee, they did not take extra oil along with themselves. So if you want to know what's called war, go and look at countries where don't fight war before. Some of them, they were not notified. It came on suddenly. It hit them. So hunger and starvation, now they keep us for war. The Biafra War or the Civil War of 1967, now hunger now keep people pass over. Not be bullet, no food to eat, nothing. You see your mother, your father die in your hand. You see your mother, your father. At times, you just got small food. Your home is being deserted. You are inside the bush. You have to start making food for your children. What about the food you are giving to your children? You don't master their belly. They have to eat a raw rabbit. So it's better you prevent it. So the people living inside Benin City today, where they farm, with the farm, after all, my dear, once you don't run common for your house, you have to save your wife, you have to save your children. I'm stressing myself for you, you may not understand. But if we get them clear now, you know how to put your prayer points. Dino Melaye just call for prayer. You can see that the Fulani herdsmen, they are sharpening their ammunitions. They are letting you know of the mind that they have. They are coming to come and kill. Jesus Christ told you, he told you in the book of John chapter 10 verse 10. The thief cometh not but to steal, to kill and to destroy. So you have no excuse to give. You know about it. As a Christian that will be going to church tomorrow, you know about it. The mission is there. What excuse do you have to give? At times, if you are rightly informed, you will not be rightly deformed. Most of us today, because we are not informed, that's the cause of the deformity. Now, where are they taking this very one to? This very one, where are they taking it to? Who they want use on key? They are not hunters. They come for you. They come for you. Before we start shouting, international community, come to our aid. It is when you start to fight, God can fight for you. For you Christians, what is written in the book of Matthew 11 verse 12, it says, since the day of John the Baptist. Do you know why? The reason why John the Baptist was the one that baptized Jesus in the river Jordan. You'll be going to church tomorrow, you want to go and open the Bible. But you want to read the area of prosperity. You are reading prosperity when your society is at stake. He says, see the day of John, the kingdom of heaven suffereth violence. Only the violent men taketh it by force. The reason why all this message you are saying, I come out every day by day, a lot of you will say, no, Talobani, no problem. But we pray, the more I talk, I'm making my own supplication note to God because I don't want it. Every of the program I do, you can see the displeasure in me. Heaven, the register, because I don't need them. I will not shy away from the truth. War not good. Obiomo, you know they no picking again. Everywhere will be deserted. Why the people you are looking onto today to come and fight for you? As soon as they enter their jeep, many of them will enter their. Once they enter here, the pilot don't radio the next available airport. Please, emergency landing. Before they radio 2 or 3 airports, they must see where to land. They continue their life from there. You will be inside. No water. If you don't drink water for one day, look how it's going to look like. Now, it might be the people that die right now, their life will be more better. You will see you dying. You'll come lean. That's war for you. The people that were alive in 1967, they know what they go through. So if they have not killed your brother, they have not killed your father. War exists. Biafra war was real. It was real. Millions of people died of starvation. These same people again, they are making preparation. We see them. We are hearing right now. They are in all loops and corner in village surrounding Benin. What are we doing about it? What are we doing about it? What measure do we have? Uromi women came out. Benin women not come out. No, do you think if there is war, you can go to that layer market and trade? Is that what you're telling me? Or somebody have given you guarantee they will call for some people? Do you know this very war, whether they are going to start fighting with helicopter? Or do you think they are this one you are even seeing among the May people? The May people, they are coming. They are going to come out with a military van, enter our city, kill as many they can. Do you think they are going to be wasting their time? Kill one for Udo today, then wait to 6 months' time. No, they have an agenda. They want to fulfill it in no time. That's why I'll be praying that God should send us a helper. But if you don't stand to fight, what you have in your hand is what God is going to empower. What you have in your hand. In my previous video, I explained it to us what Holy Spirit does. At the time you make this thing to become a bow and arrow, if you shoot it, what Holy Spirit does is that what you say may target, it must keep that thing. The power of God will go through it. That was why the confidence that David was having in the book of 1 Samuel, they told him, you can't kill this man. He said, who is this uncircumcised Philistines that is talking to my God? He picked up a stone, 5 stones, he used one inside. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, Goliath fell down. It was not that, it was Holy Spirit who interpreted the stone to become missile from B-51 bomber jets of America. He interpreted them. If David had not picked up stone, if you have when they want to go and throw blow, what material did you have in your hands? What material are you preparing? Okay, you think it's joke. It's not a joke. All these are real stories. You see today, did you ever know that Nigeria have police who dress like that in Lekki Toge today? Why are they not deploying them to fight bandits? Why did they keep them? But thank God, the person will go fit show Nigeria pepper, it go come. But the one who will fit do first, no, they don't. It will not be good if every one of us fold our hands. Let's begin to do something over these ugly situations. Let's see the little we can do before other people can come. So we have to start off something. Then before God will come in. God wants you to rise up on your feet. Hear about this, extend it to other people. Tell them so that they'll be getting prepared. It's not easy. The number they want to kill is much. And your federal government cannot help you. Not even your state government that is interested in you right now. All of them, they haven't saving their heads. Uromi women, they've stand in solidarity. But you know, what they did is zone the TSACO Abini. Where are Benin women? They are still going to market. A lot of them right now, they are going to meeting tomorrow. They want to go and wear dress monsters. Why do we become too lazy? You think they only come for farmers? That's what you think in your mind. That's what you think in your mind, it don't concern you. Where are these women that stood for Obaseki to be elected? Where are you guys doing? You can also go to Governor's house and say Fulani Herdsmen must go at least. Atam, become a Nollywood or a Nottingwood or a Bollywood. What is coming? Hello, good evening. Same to you. Let me put it on speaker. Just tell us your name and where you call it from, please.
I'm from France. You see, when I'm in France, they always comment that they follow you and they comment anytime they're on live.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. What did you have for us?
So what I have for you guys is this. First of all, everybody was saying, well, okay, each state from the southern Nigeria, they have created security for themselves. Why the Yorubas, they have
Amoteku, yeah.
Exactly. Why the Igbos, they have their eastern security, what they call it, good. They will manage, first of all, because I have a lot to talk about this here. I so much love your program, so I will always like to contribute anytime you are online.
Thank you.
So, we Edo, they say vigilante. First of all the whole Edos, all over the whole world, everybody contribute and stand by Obaseki.
Yeah.
He entered as our own governor.
Yeah.
I'm not regretting what I found in both Obaseki.
Yeah.
For Christ to reign in my own state.
Yeah.
Like now, then the vigilante, they said it is going to protect the Edo people. They have spoiled that vigilante already now because they are using vigilante, they oppress other Kofra, whatever they call them.
Yeah.
So now, if there's no unity, first of all.
Yeah. Yeah.
People come out, Auchi women come out, Edo people don't come out. No unity, first of all.
Yeah.
We are not ready for anything.
Yeah.
We are not ready. First of all, if you have to in the whole Nigeria, just have to break it out for everybody now. In the whole Nigeria, I'm a local ceremony. But in the whole Nigeria, if you don't know answer.
Yeah.
Not that we don't have power to fight. We are not afraid of anybody. But nobody wants to die. Nobody wants to sacrifice anything.
But Chairman, they are using courts to kill themselves now.
That is what I'm saying now. Because why the vigilante, my brother? If you want to put a vigilante, so any society that concerns security in any state, anybody on record has it.
Yeah.
What is it called? It was yesterday. Okay, now, because me, I'm a vigilante, no, right here is not my enemy because my whatever they call themselves, because
yes.
they are not oppressing themselves. The soldier we get to fight this useless Fulani who came from nowhere. And the worst of everything, they are not even from Nigeria.
Yes.
They are not even from Nigeria.
At all.
Those are the people who came from other land to just come and claim our own land. It's not going to be possible. The truth of the whole issue is this. This is our leader. My brother, if this fight don't happen, all those big men, I hear when you talk, I just know my brother, but you are right. But there is no a hidden place for anybody who has done or who has offended the land. Yeah, they will keep in whatever. They can't go anywhere.
At all, they can't go. They can't go.
They can't go anywhere. If we are waiting for British to come and save us, now British, me, I'm telling you, British go now they go give a full ammunition.
Now they are working on the hand.
First of all, they know what they are doing, my brother, because I'm so correct in all this aspect. We have not lost because we believe in God, and whoever that believes in God never loses a battle. God is going to fight for us. Number two, Donald Trump, he was the only man. Even the time when they wanted to invade the southern Nigeria, it was Donald Trump that called Buhari and tell him, ask your men to go away from that. That was the time this COVID in that one.
Yeah.
You see the trailer trooping into the south.
Yeah.
So it was that was the very first time they wanted to invade the southern Nigeria. So he was the one who asked them Buhari to take his people away. Okay, people were complaining at the beginning when this Eastern
security came
out. Why would they cannot do this? But today, now, the Fulani, they were in the east side of Nigeria, but where are they today? They are in our own land today.
It's exactly how you.
They are in our own land today. You understand? Because why? Maroc, but the whole Southern, there is no Eastern Nigeria, there is no Yoruba, there is no Benin. Let the Southern Nigeria join together and fight those people.
Yeah.
Out of 100%, they are just 10%.
Yes.
So if we all come together, okay, if everybody just okay, we have Biafra, everybody will start. We are not Biafra.
I think that one is the problem.
Just join hands together and fight those people. We have not experienced all those people in the what's it called? The northern part of Nigeria, what they were experiencing, killing them, driving them out of their own land and their home. That's where we are playing now.
Yes.
Just like you come to the building, then somebody just come from nowhere who doesn't know how to lay your foundation. Oh, what I want, get out. And the thing that you dare so much, like children, wife, and all this. Yes, from there they will not wake up from their slumber because nobody in Benin. I was watching one video a few days ago. I saw those young brothers of mine in Nigeria. They just packed some
Yes. How can we go now? Yeah.
If that not happen, that money goes nowhere.
At all.
That money will never take anybody to anywhere.
For real.
Because we need to wake up. We need to wake up. If we don't wake up, this thing is going to cut us on our way. By the grace of God, we will come back victorious. But we need to wake up. Because I can't come away. If we are expecting America to come and say, they are not even ready.
We are not ready. Only a problem in Nana. Now, when people see.
The time election between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump.
Yeah.
You know how our president Buhari, who called himself that lifeless man, you know how much he gave Hillary for her election. He spent a lot of money to support that woman.
Yeah, no, a lot in Nana,
God disgraced them. Donald Trump come out victory. This election is woefully spoken to everybody in the whole planet that Donald Trump won this election. But they stole it from him. But the man could just go for peace to reign. Okay, look at about 4 or 5 days ago. Joe Biden is asking Nigeria authority to accept gay. It is not in our history. We do hear it that if you have so in Nigeria, so here we gay. But when I don't know they don't wait gay. Only signing, I can't start. As you know, you only start showing what is gay. Who hate God, who are always it's a Joe Biden teaching you culture, He can never change it.
No, what killed the other one, if you son, son of America.
Even 4 years of very power, he's not going to finish 4 years. He's going to die. My brother, the truth of the issue is this.
Yes.
We don't know what we are doing.
Yeah.
We are the one who make what making noise.
Yes.
There are people in this abroad, they make their quiet money. Some of our sisters now, they are in social media, our competition. Everyone like social media. They get something reasonable out of social media.
Yes.
They will know that person from social media, from grass to from grass to grace. Our own sisters in social media. Some of them are insulting me. Feel what you hear. With sort of nonsense. Not by asking one of them. Look at that stupid thing. No matter how I'm not pure. Because that girl is idiot. So you get this so raw. Any raw, you know why? They don't know why they are here. So they should go home. The Fulani will sacrifice them. Because we are not prepared in anything.
At all.
Honorable Governor Obaseki, what is he waiting for? Okay, look at Wike. Everybody is saying Wike is bad, Wike is bad. Wike, they all leave. They run away from their own dear life. Obaseki should leave. He should know that he is in Nigeria. He is not in America right now. He's not in America. There is war. This is war. Fulani wage war against Wisatama. So he should think that, Nigeria is like America. Every governor has a power in his own state.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Cannot come to those states to tell us anywhere you are no longer the governor of the state. They should set up that's a recognized a solid security services.
Chairman, almost about 11 minutes, please. Right. Go and call out. What's it? Thank you for that wonderful contribution. Yeah. So that's a very wonderful one from our beloved brother. That's been one of our fans by the grace of God. So if you have anything to say, please just call in. Okwemo said, we don't pray to experience. It's not what we even want it to happen to our enemies. You cannot, you will not sleep. You'll be saying, just this night, just look at warfare. Emose. And if I know one, I have to all those league in no one. I don't know where what he call now, what do meeting now where they are sitting down. Well, can you survive hunger for 5 days? Look at common lockdown now. Look at how the place look like. And these people, they are bringing more ammunition. They are not even from Nigeria. You cannot trace them. You cannot investigate them. None of them is in prison. We see like what happened in Lekki today. People, that harmless citizens that went there to go ahead, make their voice known. We don't like what is happening, or we want justice for people that was killed in Lekki shooting some months ago. All of them were arrested. How many Fulani bandits today is in police custody? No one is in police custody. Is that one not enough for us to speak out? Is that one not enough for us to speak? I think that should be enough if we really know what we are doing. So earlier the better for us. It is better we start our journey right now. We have to start it now because tomorrow might be too late. That's why when Pharaoh had a dream, he told Joseph, he told his people, the people couldn't interpret it after tell us the brief of the story some time ago here. It took just Joseph, another prisoner, to interpret the dream of Pharaoh. One thing that is our problem, we don't value people's word. You think one House of Assembly member will come and be talking what I'm talking right now. What is House of Assembly member? What are they doing? How many times have they sit down? Now, let's pass a law and ban some certain thing right now. Not the federal government want ban open grazing or closed grazing. Your state governor can do it. We have legislators that can do this thing. Okay, now, you guys cannot sit down to look at the excessive killings of your brothers and sisters by so-called courtesan in Edo State. You can't do it. You cannot put a law that will stop these people from killing themselves. If you want, beg them, beg them. The causes in Benin today have power more than the state government. Because they used to beg them before. And these are the people, they are not, their weapon is not legalized. But who talks about it? The governmental body does not condemn them. How many times have you ever seen SSA or so and so person condemn this very thing? They don't condemn it. Now, what is happening? What is happening? Why is everybody muted? What is it? Political tips? Why are they not talking? Who were the people that went for campaign for Isaiah and campaign for Obaseki? All of them were on ground. Let them come out right now. Talk about what's happening in your community. I can't get it clear. Do you think if war come, look at how NSAS was hijacked the other day. You will get money, now you the youth go very bad against. At times in war, poor person will become poor. A poor person will become rich. Opportunity for the Omila way they Benin, they'll go to look for big man the key. Nobody will even pull out from our house because it's an old house. So you will be saying, man, you get money. One with their con take your house. One the war don't finish you, survival of the fittest. Thank God we get some men for Benin. May God, if the war even conserve, God will still make una can't reach. So you will be like Polyeke, so we're not be any John Danny, where you will working because you cannot survive on car. Where I think there, can you jump fence? Instead of you right now, as a chieftains, mobilize the youth and say, what can we do now? Let's occupy the truth of Benin, Lagos. Cry, even if I thought the international community, because we are very used to it, they are coming to come and help you. You have not done anything that's going to even make them come. They can't come because you are not serious. You have to be serious with your life for once. If you want somebody to carry a load on your head, now the same person going to give you Ukoki. Bukadika name of that cloth they put for head. Ukoki. Not be put Ukoki for your head. Set as if you want to carry what the person give you a helping hand. Who want carry load for you, constantly put Ukoki for your head. Raise the basic. You have to carry it. The person will help you after you don't balance your hair and you want to carry on. Or now the person will want to give you load, go position on for your head. Now, why is our brothers and sisters in social media? Why? Okay, is it a joke or a dream? All this thing we are seeing in media is fake. I can't get it. There is a video that came out the other day. I uploaded this video long time ago. Let me see if I can see right now. Foreign bodies, they've already know what's about before Nigeria. But some Edo people don't know what they happen. The thing is very, very laughable. A lot of Edo people does not know what was before them. Go and watch it right now. You see Edo people in some way. Not that they are going to learn anything. They are looking for miracle. They are looking for miracle. You cannot protect yourself here abroad. You cannot protect yourself in any way because you are not interested. You are not interested. Hello. Yeah, hey. Please speak a broken English. Tell us your name and where you're calling from.
My name is Liam Lopez.
Okay.
I'm from Italy.
Make your contribution, please. Yeah.
So only money here to now. We know you're ready at all. You understand? Even okay now, just like like my uncle. You want to give an example with me? Yeah, I call my uncle Latin last month. Now you are going to so I that last month or last 2 months, money. You know, so in Nigeria, you want to get level. I work in a person who's only those are propaganda. The man in UK. You know, so I was very tired. Why this man? Okay, it's we don't have to go and stay on with me. You understand? You know, well, no problem. Okay, now my man now we last month when I one of camera carrier be young
Yeah.
so everybody will see all those things. You understand? Okay, now actually when I see waiting comic me tired. Okay, I see the Obaseki now. When I watch Obaseki now, the whether Obaseki now they try to want to give land to the Fulani. You understand what do? Now so the man, the Obaseki they tell they say now say you don't need this one, you don't need this one. They have to address the Fulani people. In case of he go give them money, let them go build a range. He go give them money, let them go do this one. I was just looking at the man way. A man, okay now. Automatically now, army Fulani in Vivi Yoruba, now you want to give them land for Edo State. I couldn't wonder that be the man you understand?
Yeah.
Automatically, this man he already give this. Okay, now if I even see the social media, I hear to we have a clear thing here and useless. What we have here, this presenter here, we have the men here way. They are own to just they are one about the passport and Nigeria Yahoo Gabu ya phone why Yahoo Gabu street Yahoo Gabu for them and when another set of other when the mind in Fulani me or your setting and then if make an a Kenyaji. Okay, what the Biafra here we are Biafra in your to decide why you know. Okay, now we are already there. The country is built on Wazobia, which is outside Yoruba people.
Yes.
Even we are the minority.
Yes, definitely.
A minority. We already know say we are the minority. Far away before the amalgamation, 1940 amalgamation, they with the amalgamation. But later on now, they now later classify us to be a minority group. Okay, since I was born, I think I'm 33 years now. I never hear say Duma is the president of Nigeria.
No, it's impossible.
Or Duma is a one big security. Let's I'm just talking about my own Pinicity money. Pinicity, one of the Nigeria. Even the other thing, what we still know about them, we are here by soldier. You have to change your name from Satana to Muslim name.
Yes, that's true.
I easily take you from it. I know all those things. And many people here, but I will still see our just like people in the other way. We believe on one Nigeria. Now we even need this freedom pass. We
now we.
Now we believe I need this freedom pass. Because they read when they call this whether amalgamation here, where they very you know, someone they take us to become a minority group, say we are the minority. Now we even need that pass because you cannot go out of the 36 you cannot see Binima for one big post for that country. Or if even this abroad, after a year though. Who knows?
No, now they open now. Air talk casting now, not be because they suffer so now. Or casting now, a human trafficking my hero. What you mean or you migo? Human trafficking hero. Yeah, you mean not pay. Yeah, you mean not pay 50K. What you mean or you have to figure we cool. Nene of Sheganation, Wagbeo, Sheganation. Ogbado you me all year. Nonsense. Very dead set of people. Dead. Ovie dona mi Shege Nation. Wa we no rate Shege, mind the meaning of Shege Nation. Dead set of people.
Look at that people reaction and begin the gossip and before just finished. Nothing else again.
They are not contributing anything. Okay, right now you guys are causing commotion. Other tribes are not killing themselves. Only Benima will kill Benima. Then they say again, Wagwalo Efo, the tank not the fool. It's not the fool. I they wonder.
I don't feel like you are. I mean, I will talk and forget because the even now we have traditional rule. Most of us have a full grown up face fans. In the last one, the guy is showing everything about where if I never hear case way. I'm not a mood. I'm not a mugu. I'm not a I know everything. I have a footprint. I've seen everything. Okay. So that was my contribution.
God bless you really good. God bless you really good. And every one of us has a problem. It's what we carry, you know. And how to send money and now we know. We don't know how to protect ourselves. That is a war, fan. Okwemose, for those of you that came through Morocco route, vis-a-vis, you should be able to know from that very perspective that war is not a thing you even pray about to happen. You don't pray about it to happen. Don't pray to ever see what's called war. You can't eat. You can't eat. Most of you right now, if you don't drink matters after a day, when I know the feed they live. How you going to do it then? Let's prevent it now. When they play. Let's prevent it now. The Igbo people, you may be one of the Johnny Igbo people where they insult on the can. Those ones, they are secure already. They have already declared right now no more grazing in Igbo land. So you they join them. Instead of you to sit back. All the chief, all these OB that you see is fighting Nnamdi Kanu today, a time is going to come. They are going to meet him and say, Nnamdi Kanu Kabiyesi. We are going to pay for every damage we have caused. So let people begin to play game with your life. Somebody will just set up Facebook, then you are supporting the same person to start fighting the freedom fighter. Now, ask the same person, what plans did he have for you? Now, I will not just come out right now to start causing mayhem. Hello? Please, can you call on WhatsApp? That would be more louder, please. Can you? Yes. Can you call your WhatsApp, please? Call on WhatsApp to be more louder, please. Sorry for the inconveniences. Okay, Mama is on the line. Hello, call you know give a talk about. Come on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 No. Call you no get. Oh, man, already I don't have no wait here. Call you. Come. Hello. Hello, you mute your call, Chairman. You mute your call if you can hear me. Now, let me quickly play out this video. This video came out August very last year.
Most populous nation. Major the top.
Please, this person calling you have to hold on, please.
Africa is warning that Al Qaeda, ISIS, and other Islamic terror groups are now trying to take over parts of the continent's most populous nation. Major General David Anderson says Muslim terrorists have set their sights on Nigeria's southern and northwestern regions, and the U.S. is now sharing specific intelligence with the country. So this intelligence is absolutely vital. We stay fully engaged with the government of Nigeria. Their goal, eventually turn Nigeria into a Muslim country. Questions are in the eye of the target and Muslims stormed 4 remote Christian villages in Kaduna State, killing 22 villagers. July 24th, 21 dead, scores injured, and several Christian homes destroyed by militants. July 19th, 19 people killed when assailants armed with guns and
2020 or 2020.
reception. And the list goes on. Leading human rights groups say what's going on in Nigeria is a genocide. Over the last 20 years, it's just massive number of attacks against Christians. 50 to 70,000 have been murdered. For years, the main terror group was Boko Haram, which seeks to overthrow the government here and create an Islamic state. They go after Christians and moderate Muslims. They push a hardline Muslim agenda. It is their intention to establish a caliphate and to just rid all of Nigeria and West Africa of any Western influence whatsoever. Now, there's a new angle on the scene. In Nigeria's so-called Middle Belt region, where the Muslim north meets the Christian south, a terror group made up of Muslim Fulani herders are killing thousands of Christians. More than 1,400 Christians were hacked to death in just the first 7 months of 2020 by Fulani herders. Unfortunately, the secular media are quite often biased and trying to present this as a tribal conflict rather than religious. Nigeria's president, a Muslim, has so far done very little to stop the bloodshed. His police and army are also mostly made up of Muslims. The attackers are never captured, they are not prosecuted. The security services respond very slowly. A full day can go on with attacks happening and no security shows up. And frequently, the government officials will provide cover. Helpless and vulnerable to almost daily attacks, leading Catholic bishops are now urging Nigerian Christians to defend themselves. Human rights groups are asking the White House to appoint a special envoy to help end the persecution of Christians in Nigeria. Unless the world takes note and puts pressure, economic pressure, sanctions, visa bans on the officials who are responsible for this travesty and for not reining in the terror, then Nigeria will continue to be a bloodbath. Meanwhile, King's Group is helping more than 3,000 Christians who lost their businesses, homes, farms, or land to Boko Haram and Fulani militant attacks. International Christian Concern has created communal funds to give victims the opportunity to rebuild their lives. When they get back to work, the family is fed, they have a future, the kids can go back to school. It's a restoration of hope, it really is. And it's much more than just economics. It's the whole community, it's all the parts of life, the emotional, the physical.
Now, I'm going to be the video don't even play. Let me reshare this very video again because it's very down in the page. I'm going to be resharing it again so that a lot of us can later go and and watch it. Now, a lot of Nigerians, you can hear that guy that just called us, and young could not even know what they happen for Nigeria because it's after 18 hours work just to make the money. This one happened in your country. Now, which president don't first talk about? You can see it's not photoshopping. Now Donald Trump first talk about it because now only one be Christian, but Suleiman could say not be Christian. Oh yes, I am that pure with Suleiman. Yeah, the yet not day. He said not be Christian. He will be Christian. What I be say right now? When we tell Suleiman now, or now we away because unknown or beg. Now you be Christian. Now the plan where the man get for a second time, nobody know. This one was July. Now they do all this documentary. He have the same video with him. Donald Trump have it in his drive. He get them. He know the plans that he has. He's to give freedom to the oppressed. But here we are. We became too idiocy. Hello, Chama. Good evening. Good evening.
Every day.
Yeah.
I follow you online.
Okay.
I was brought up in a Muba Barak, Sigwe Barak, and some other places, New Guinea, police station, division. So I know those areas very well. Even I left Benin before I came to Italy. I was living in Benin. I went to ICC.
Yeah.
Primary school. So I want to say very big thank you for what you are doing. In Edo State, I don't see your program, I don't see the right thing. The way Edo people do this is very bad. I think that the Igbo people are the problem of Nigeria.
Is it the people that's Fulani? They should talk about the recent problem now, not what have passed before.
Yeah. The recent problem that is going on, killing children, losing everywhere, destroying houses, destroying farms. You know, the people say, now the camel, somebody come and say, don't you like
Yes.
everywhere there. They kill some Fulani in there. So I mean, so much happy that you telling the people many things to I'm surprised. Let people from the village they don't want some of them. There's anything like a continent. Forget about that. So, sir,
Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, Rebbe. No. We are here to push the. Chairman, let me quickly correct something here. People are complaining about the audio. I don't know what's happening. Thank you very much. Please, for those of you talking about the audio, can you hear me clear as I'm talking right now? Can you hear me clear? Can you hear me clear now? The audio was really very poor. I guess there must be something wrong here. There is no audio. Why? Can you hear me clear now as I'm talking as an individual now? Can you hear me, please? Maybe it is. It should be the devices that I'm using. Is better now. Maybe the communication gadget. I don't know. The phone I'm using. That was why I decided to use the WhatsApp. But it's better right now. I can even get it. For those of you that will say maybe it was not connected to this. But I get it clear now. Maybe it is devices I'm using. We are still trying to work on our system and be very busy, so we have not been able to get it right. Trying to get an helper straight to can, you know. I know that very problem came from the phone I'm using to receive calls. So let us continue with the program. So what we are doing right now is a repetition. This evening, probably, I came to tell us that the man who I fed that have Christian at heart, we pray that the resurrection power should speak in the life of Donald Trump and in our lives. So all these people will be crossed. Just only one B-51, I think a B-1 or so, B-1 bomb jet. We are okay. So we are good to go. So keep on praying. We need a helper. We can't really solve this problem by ourselves. But it is better that the few things we can do, the few one we can do, let us do it. Let us begin to get our people informed. Don't just be, remember that brother that call. You call your uncle in UK. He's telling you, say, nothing like that, propaganda. Just see how people can be. Now, at times, I can't just get it. You have your 24 hours light. You know, you got everything. We have no problem with all these kind of people. Now, those women, they follow for social media. I'll block a lot of those kind of people from my line who does not bother care about what's happening. Please, I'm going to be ending up the broadcast right now. God bless you all. Please, let's keep our finger crossed. Let's say the best we can. If you do any video, maybe you do a facial video, you want to lay curses on our political bad leaders, even though you don't mention people's name. You don't see Nigeria. Now something. All hands should be on desk. Don't leave it for only me. Nobody was contracted to do this. Even the government officials that receive million a month. Are you seeing them doing anything today? We are left to know, not this. You are not hearing from them. They are not encouraging you. You know, they are just on their own. Montgomery, they get their lot and all. And they are going to lose all this property. They can't survive it. They don't know what's coming before them. The people that were alive in 1967, go and ask them. And from that time, I've been called the name of Kwemose. Nobody that was named Okwemose in the 50s. And from 1967 upward, people were now naming Okwemose. That war is not beautiful. So what your father saw, that's what you are wanting to see. The Europe where here we are not relevant. All we know is about Black Lives Matter. That's all what we know about. Our ancestral land, we doesn't bloody care how we are going to fix it. Now, if we can keep on running away from our personal problem, who are we going to leave the problem for? Whom are we going to leave this very problem for? And nobody carry the share of a tortoise for a tortoise. Tortoise carry it for itself. You just have, instead of Joe Biden now, you so-called some of them animal, some of them will not be all. some of them will be animal that supported Joe Biden. He never talk about say that they kill you. But what he's talking about right now is for you to put paper that John and John can marry. But what did Donald Trump do such a thing that make you hate him? A man in August here, July, August, they draw the attention when Buhari went to 2018 ending on so when he went to go and back to Kano or whatever. I think it's 2018 now. Before to Kano jet. That was when he called Buhari a lifeless president. Why did they send him down there? Send Buhari just for friendship. Go, this man will come crush you, but go say you want to follow and do business. So now may Buhari go. But yet, Donald Trump, being that saying our side in day, he no one follow those people. If they come for now, he's coming for you people. If you don't know now, no. That's why they try all means to use impeachment against him. He just got another victory today. But you, where he is supposed to correct where they suffer, where they fight for. Imagine the most humiliated people today in the world, Donald Trump, Una the camp. That is, now Benin people hate part for their life. Donald Trump, Una the camp. Benin people, some of them don't want you to hear about Donald Trump. They don't want you to hear. They feel they prefer to die than to say, Una the camp, God bless you. And these are the 10 people that met with for you. Joe Biden have not talked about. Joe Biden is Christian. Joe Biden not be Christian now. Why do you think he's going to be interested for you to leave? All Joe Biden want to see Benin people do right now, naked, man and man can't be. They want to be seeing short video. That was what they came for. That's their mission. But because they will know they listen to news, will they listen to BBC now, they don't shock. How does it even work? 57 say guilty. 43 say not guilty. 43 say not guilty. 57 say guilty. Automatically, he was discharged and acquitted. The only way, could I tell you today, they are still afraid of the man. Una set the man on the position again. Why are you still guys impeaching him? They wanted to use this very method. But because they want you there. He said, they are not looking for me. They are looking for you. I'm always standing on their way. That's what Donald Trump said. And that is the true story. A video I just played to you right now came out from Donald Trump's administration July last year. Yeah. He don't plan what thing he want to do to help me and you. But you could start. Okay, now what did Joe Biden get? No, what did Joe Biden get? What speech have you seen Joe Biden made? Why is it that the mainstream media and Donald Trump still there? Now, so all of now, I don't talk and God will clothe you people with the cloth of shame. No Benima today who can boldly and say, Una the camel, God bless you. No, I think in all my life, I have not seen any caller that call and talk. This guy that called in France who talk about Donald Trump. That's why I just waited for him to talk. I don't want to intrude. That look how he sent me. At the same time, wait, they talk. So now that time they're supposed to strike. Now that is supposed to strike. Now be this very video. But how many of you know about it? Your friend will tell you, say this person no go, you're true believer. If you hate Donald Trump, you hate me. If you hate Nnamdi Kanu, Atoma Pokulo, you hate me. That is me. Oh. I can hate you because Donald Trump. I'm not politically affiliated to him because of what he has in mind to liberate the people that are suffering. Nobody's going to do this for you. The more criticized people in the world today, Nnamdi Kanu and Donald Trump, check up their profile and check up their heart. Carry a spiritual microscope and check what mind did they have. Even people, have you begin to see, Nnamdi Kanu say this village, go garden. He's garden everywhere. Hope Uzodinma, the people, the commitment that God gave to Hope Uzodinma. Now Nnamdi Kanu they do now. He was in broker this evening. He talked about the people who go to run for POS. That anytime they call them, he don't not supposed to be the state governor headache, but they are not doing it. But yet they are fighting him. Then you know this, you can't go pray for church. God will punish you, Jonah. People don't know their committees in this period. I was just looking at all of them. Some Benin let people talk back. There was a man, a phone call I call embassy because we feel we talk ban warata. Why provoking him? Mona no can let me. Why give mamu wagui? Everybody should wake up from his slumber. Naibo man, draw the attention of Donald Trump to Obaseki problem that he was passing through from the Jagaban. Igbo man aware that make the embassy, U.S. embassy in Lagos to speak of. That was the letter you saw. It was an Igbo man that did it. I know how that deal was done. Who told Donald Trump about Obaseki? Look at the way people, this man is facing humiliation. You think it was all this one you were doing? Do you know the plan Buhari himself, the Buhari way they fought for the plan they were having? How do you think they were able to crumble Oshomole and the rest of them? What comes about the visa ban? The ultima hora, the 9 minute, please, Chairman, the 9 minute sanction that came when UK later also sanctioned Nigerians. It was Donald Trump that put a call through to Boris Johnson, sanction these people over this election. But a lot of you became an ungrateful element I've ever seen in my life. I think why you need the Yobo now? Can Obaseki do anything right now? His hand is tied. He cannot do anything. He still needs support to protect your fucking stinking head. He needs support from the same person you were insulting. Instead of a leader director to help you right now, he's telling you to sign into law. I don't know because of money. I really where to go for. They lose all their integrity because of their stupidity. Sentimental bullshit. Okay, you have to count up to 99. Most of them, they are bomb. You think Obaseki got victory? You think he just got victory? It was an Igbo man who drew the attention of Donald Trump to how our U.S. embassy was being called. We are taking a close watch. You became very ungrateful. You thought it was your took the finger in the air that they use it. Do you know their plans? You don't know their plans. Do you know the plan of the federal government? Why Buhari, where they follow Obaseki, where they follow Buhari up and down? Getting the ticket was also a problem. Why Buhari not just give a second tenure once? That they start verifying his result. Well, him and the dead Buhari, the one with this, was they not friend? Do you know the plans? They had a call that is more than every other call. If you don't know now, no. So don't be an ungrateful ignorant. Also, and me and you, we will never engage again. We might be supporting you. I'm going to become you people opposition. I thank God the election time you have it all. Look at everywhere cast now. Where is all of that today? Do you see the person that is speaking? Who talked about what is coming? Nobody bloody care about it. The one that needed money, they needed money for themselves. They got the money and they don't enter house. They don't talk about the insecurity. Feeling well, can you fight war? Can you withstand hunger for a week? You think it's going to be rosy? You think it's going to be rosy? Thank God I'm not in village. Do you know what's called war? But the good people head way they now go save them. They are still going to attract the various foreign support. Una the Kano is in America right now. Imagine yourself, go play Oracle. How did Una the Kano got AK-47 and such rifles? Are there many rich? ESM, there are hundreds of thousands. Why did they get the money to give them this ammunition? You know they think because you are brain dead. I've never seen such an Australia wallaby before in my life. They don't believe in eating and building fucking houses. They evaluate your is it up to 20 million? Evaluate any house. You can wear both while you 20 years. Hey, you open. All your made they via. Nonsense. For them to support good thing is always a problem to them. All they know are agreement money. Can you run around with your children? May God not let a bad thing happen. You will be seeing your wife die in your hands. And maybe no tongue. No, at times you will follow your mate when they come giant. Your friend will die for your present. A lot of us will witness it. That's how war look like. That's how war look like. You need to go and see Algeria Buzu in the desert. Algeria Buzu. That's why if you pass and enter Europe and you allow one idiot, one company they use you are a fool. The reason why you survive it, God makes you a soldier. We go through training in the desert. No matter your ruggedity today, no matter your ruggedity, if you shoot me as survivor, you are gone. You are gone because I know what I've seen. Where we meet up, when I go I've conditioned Usama boy now where. Oh, they Morocco will la like we. I've been number this, I've been number that, just to kill. We are very happy. Look at so many non-entity in our society. So many non-entity. Women not tell what we are. I do what they talk about. Yeah, with Donald Trump talk back. You think of let Obaseki protect you now. Let him protect you now. Let him guard and protect you now. The same people you mocked before is still going to be the one to rescue you because you are a fool. My late father, blessed memory, he said we eat so that we might live. We don't live to eat. Who are the yagmon do river? I was zuo no makon. How they cannot praise one, they cannot praise anybody. Very wicked set of people. Political affiliation. Obaseki be like me. If I did not say go, go. Maybe maybe so here. What you go even make it man pass my honor because they get money. Or maybe I go when it working. Mega me Obaseki na another human be like me. The IG is the one controlling police. Except if by now you don't go use personal security on your own privately, like bodyguards and the rest. Did they have it? I was even praying for Obaseki one time, made police not even go arrest and go lock him. That was how rotten Nigeria is. You are thinking he's a chief executive. We police did the command. Now they command commissioner of police. Commissioner is order for from Abuja. Have you not seen complaint that time? Arrest person, they leave him. How many times they broke a prison gate in Benin? Because it was from Abuja. Those people leave them alone. The Fulani herdsmen that they caught in the Kewan Road that day, we stationed that day with ammunition. But go and see your brother today. Not be your brother, the baby here. Not be Benin boy. How many have they caught that is in custody? Because waiting on being. Uti phone. Phone, one go sell and they eat. For example, not be say good though. He go to prison. But Fulani herdsmen that will come with so many ammunition. Unregistered ammunition. Where are they today? How many Fulani herdsmen run from Oko prison? How many Fulani herdsmen? Who is committing the main atrocity? And who is the number one man in Edo there that all those called boys is operating on? Who is their close friend? Commissioner go be here. One dirty street boy will still be here. Who and who were manaching we are well now say God not there. Look at it. Look at it. Look at governors in other foreign land. They are well known. Killing people. Was a again one day. Just look at it. Police court, governmental body court, Ihweki court, student court. Even Odiengbena, he want to become a courtist so that he can be oppressing the people around him. But we are here, we are not talking about it. They doesn't bloody care about the people who cannot really go to farm again. Because we know the Mamua. I will not because of your wickedness and praying, but I'll still keep on praying. I don't want to even see you die, but why repay me so? I want to see you starve and die, but boy, because nothing in place, nothing in place, traditionally nothing in place, politically nothing in place, Christian wise nothing in place. The reason for this segregation, trying to tell Brafa, no, it's all about the freedom. It's all about freedom. The threat Donald Trump is passing through today is passing through because you and I. Thank God I was able to get this video. I show you this video already. His attention has been drawn to it. Your pastor said not be Christian. But why is he talking about Christian? He only just talking. Your pa, uno guy na with Donald Trump. We can't do take a Suleiman. They know where dokpa. I'll just open your file. I'll go open your file. Come and read the Bible and let me read Bible. How you have been committing atrocity. The thing they vex me until today say not be Christian. Just support Christian. Who be Christian? They're the right hand for head. Now Buhari can be Christian. What kind of Christianity are you showing? Nonsense. These are the food themselves. You have got your own coin out of it right now. You couldn't see again about Wari, but you could see Americans election. Oh, one. Some people now, if they talk and then go say, Jesus Christ, he said one day. Jesus Christ, if you are really a Christian, Suleiman, Jesus Christ saw, he said, this temple you are seeing in the book of Matthew 26, where they were in Galilee. He said, this temple you are seeing will be destroyed. They thought they would be rebuilt. If you will be Christian and God you decide, why you don't see the temptation where they come? May you first talk. But you could see ahead of Americans' election. But you don't see and say Donald Trump, they come back. The last impeachment right now, he just survived it. That would have even made his political career to be gone forever and ever. He just survived it. Why the case of a fraudulent election is still ongoing? Am I concluded? Then who can be Christian for me and Nana? Are you Christian now? Problem they come for you, you don't see him. Then who can blind now? He's just supporting Christian. Now don't carry on a brainwash all of them. Matthew 11 verse 12. Since the day of John the Baptist up till now, the kingdom of God suffered violence, the violent may take it by force. You know the letter man they read. Apart from how they want to praise you. Tell me how many people you have more go in house. Check on 10 years ago, how many sickness we get. The same yellow on my head, red on my back. Now the South God who have been seeing me through. If the political vampire no red do, some of them cripple, some of them they sick. Why me not come sick? Am I not a threat to them? If me not go, who can protect me? What we bomb in the yard? Maybe we both say for say if I thought say you want to talk that one, hey come man. Now no make can backfire, idiot. Support who you are supposed to support. All the know Sunday have a red man, they have a big man. Most of them are not the red one. Don't on a cloth down. Why we are still preserve single. Then the village where you have too much Christianity there. Look at what's happening today. Nothing to write home about. Support. Don't be so jealous. Learn to appreciate people. One day, they come for you not felt good before, but for this thing you have done, God will bless you. You are still saying they are the problem of Nigeria. Are they the Fulani? Why must you even remember what happened yesterday? At all. Let's talk about what's happening today. Are they the Fulani? Forget about civil war. What it go one do? What it this one do? Show they can't do. Who is the problem of today? They like read the history. Read this history about Benin Kingdom. Go and read history about Benin Kingdom. How you were why the reason why we want to call City of Blood? Why is blood still flowing today? Do you know what you are doing? We no mama. You can't read 1960 history. Now that one we did now. Now that one we did now. Court Nigeria, you are not supporting. Protect your land, you cannot protect. But the people protecting their land, we are drag back here where you are telling them he's not doing it well, he's not doing it well. Form your own. Even mobilize the courtists. You can even settle. Benin have a present name. Settle the courtesans from killing themselves. And leave Igbo people alone. Let Igbo people get their freedom now. Nenu wahaka ya deficit boundary in the way. Me I see any of una there. I dey write all of una down. May they get their freedom. Mona can go back 50 by 100. We bomangi wana do to wa there now. When they bring out when level come out, wama do wa. Mema be there. They not collect your own. O Jack Monjemi. You know bad. It is you want to come to landlord. He went there, one bad that you see all of them for dance. Somebody come with the bad too. Benin people, here what diva. Come on, me walk back. Why they have to in there with ban? They lack microwave once they get their freedom now. Before you know, they don't buy. Support now you can't support. If you are not even supporting these people, leave them, let them fight their own freedom in peace. Don't go and be thwarting them. Don't let Buhari start using you against your brother. Your common enemy here are the S-men, nobody else. Nobody. Nobody. Forget about what Awolowo did. We've already said that this amalgamation, it was a fake marriage. How many of them they swear for Ferdinand Logard? Up till now, if Ferdinand Logard, because he was the one that caused the problem we have today. Now, let's correct the error now. You see the talk history they come. Talk history about your Benin. Why did the Britain came and exile Bavuramen to Calabar? But it of now to talk with the apple, una put on for Baseki head. Wait till they see what makes them to come. If those things still in our society today, have we turned away from it? That first of all made them conquer us and went away with the artifact? Do you know what they looted from Benin? Is enough for everybody to be strictly rich. As at then, it was millions of dollars. As at then, it was millions of dollars. What they looted away. What your great-great-grandfather used their hand to do. What is this generation doing right now? Even the bond trade here, they don't know how to do. No, they don't know how to come up. Synthetic hair, they are never wanted to be in the fabric. But your father in the olden days, he could do it on. What are this generation doing? Apart from party. Nenemi Oshege Nation. Nenemi this. Where are they today? Some of them in front of supermarket right now. Then I'm going to carry away. I go to supermarket and I'll drive you come on for that plaza way for the work. Stupid, very wayward set of ingrates, brainless set of people, generation of animals. Let's do things where is a problem. Me, I love to appreciate people. If you are doing well, we appreciate you. Okay, why would I be suffocating when you are fighting for your freedom? Do we not know where our problem is coming from? Okay, if we know the concept beneath people decrease, now be our problem. Now what do you see? At times you put some certain things aside. Face the necessary one. The most pressing need. If you are home right now, you are lacking a lot of things. You first of all, if you go market, no food day house. What you first of all do? First of all, buy water. If now €1 you get, make sure you first of all get water. Then before you start getting on other things where they make you and do another thing. These are what we are lacking. Huh? May God Almighty help us, all of us, in Jesus' name. By the grace of God, I'm going to be seeing us later in the day. Let's see if we can do a little, still sermon of the Sunday. Like doing this. Then you are there wasting people's time. Get family now. 50 by 100 people. 50 by 100. Why are you asking your Towodoban? See what they do for Morocco. They go from us for Morocco, some Benin idiot. What did they call an Obiasorok? But they kill their people that time. But why will we Europe? Not do I tell me what do? They give a prayer where we are soon to amend 20 guests. When they bust to uncle, dead set of wayward people. The best human trafficker of the world, some of them. You guys are the best killer right now. Each of you to be fighting freedom fighter. You have a lot of needs. Go and settle your people to stop killing themselves. Let them know the value of their life. Only Benin, a Doma will open the God against a Doma. What moral right did you have to even caution anybody when you have not been able to fist up yourself? Yes. Good night, everyone, and God bless you all. In Jesus' name. Amen.